电话到家找他的电话，真吓人。我找他了吗？你到那么早就做东西，我就是，我没找，我今天我刚才去的包，我一到这，我也不知道怎么去嘛，怎么往前开了，往前开是给他的，年龄到了以后。你老公也有兴趣？他没有，我摁不过他。你没从头到尾照顾我就想追中国队，追到没有人来，中国走了，就追到头，我从这块想给他们照，结果前面那个那边是几个在那边的那个来的，王雪梅他们对，我看到他了。我上一次你们请他们来的，是看到了，他们还在那个水池的那个。他们好像表演了，在那个好像就是那 celebrate 还是那种表演了。没找着啊！我说去找找那个中国的这个牌子，没看见。真的，就那个大喷水池那个地方 celebrate 的，就是滑下的。是啊，就那个旁边的那个大池子表演的那个，就是 celebrate。你不认识他？建华，我是杨宇。他现在好多人找着两个人合照，好多人找着两个彩光刀的照相，我也没照，我在那吃德国猪手的。这么有家的多油画，好了没了，好多人找这两个照相。
We'll do. We're going to bring your flags down, and your sign even, you can turn the sign upside down so that people can see you. We'll bring your sign down so everyone can see the stage. And then at the end of our presentation, we're going to have everybody turn around and we'll take a picture. But right now, please bring the signs down. And if you're holding the sign so people can see, yeah, just bring the sign down so it's below your chin. You may have to turn it sideways. Okay, well, we got our flags and signs down. Do we want the crowd to turn around?
Yep, turn around.
So Rick is right up there. We're going to turn around right now. Let's get one picture right now so we can see the stage. We can see everybody on stage. Everybody give us a big wave. Rick, take that picture now. Flags down. And then we're going to bring the flags up in 1 second. Wait 1 sec. We can see the stage and see the group on stage. All right. One more time. Now let's do flags up. Flags up. Signs up. Do a wave, everybody. Class of 2025. There we go. Yay. Wonderful. All right. Thank you for that. Now we'll do the flags down. Now we can do the signs down. And I'm going to turn it over to our general manager.
Traditional and ancestral territories of the Salish people, and acknowledge the land-based nations, the Katzie, Kwantlen, and Semiahmoo. Also joining us, and we'll hear from him in a minute, is Kevin Kelly from the Kwantlen First Nation. I would like to begin by introducing our dignitaries that have joined us here on the stage. We have our Mayor, Brenda Locke, Councillor Linda Annis, Councillor Mike Bowes, Councillor Doug Elford, Councillor Pardeep Cooner, and Councillor Rob Stutt. MPs, we have Sue Dollywall for Surrey Newton, Tamara Jensen, MP Cloverdale Langley, Ernie Klassen, MP South Surrey White Rock, the Honourable Jake Group Barrar, Minister of Mining and Critical Minerals and MLA for Surrey Fleetwood, the Honourable Jesse Sunner, Minister of Post-Secondary Education and Future Skills MLA for Surrey Newton. We have Gary Begg, Parliamentary Secretary for Surrey Infrastructure and MLA for Surrey Guildford. Mandeep Dhaliwal, MLA for Surrey North. I'm not sure if he's been able.
First of all, my traditional name to all the people that are here from all the different countries is Salasalton. I carry my late father's name, or I'm still a member of my tribe up in Coltis Lake, Sewali First Nation. I married the chief, Kwantlen Nalander, 30 years ago, because she's a hereditary chief. I had to leave my community. So I've been in Kwantlen 30 years. Her name is Takwasan, hereditary chief Marilyn Gabriel. She carries her late father's name, Grand Chief Joe Gabriel, the female version. I'd also like to welcome on behalf of Chief Harley Chapo of Semiahmoo and also the Keynote First Nation. I just want to say I really want to thank Brenda Locke and her council for always doing these beautiful events. I think every year I come, I'm blown away. I bring it back home to the chief and let her know the amount of people that are here from every country represented. I want you to know, as the people, regardless of where you come from, Brazil, my favorite soccer team when I played. And I met these two beautiful ladies from Nigeria. The countries where you come from and you stick to what you were back home. And you have to keep your language. This is who you are. Nobody can ever take this from you. When I can look in the crowd and see all the beautiful colors, the drums, the songs, this is who you are. This is the beat of your heart. Don't ever let them take it from you. I want to thank Mary and her gang for always doing a beautiful job. This takes a lot of work to set it up, but also to take it down, and this is what they do.
The Mayor of Surrey, Brenda Locke.
Well, hello, Surrey. It is indeed our pleasure to be here. What a great gift to be here today. And I always say to my kids, you're my favorite in your age category. So today, this is my favorite in our exhibit category, in our festival category. Hello everyone, it is such a great, wonderful gift to be here, and I wish you could see what we see from this stage, because it is truly amazing. It's an absolute delight for us to be here today and welcome each and every one of you. How many people are here from Surrey? Yeah. And welcome to everyone who wishes they were here from Surrey. This is the 18th annual Fusion Festival, and we are very, very proud to host it every year, and we will continue to host it year after year. It's such an incredible sight to see this crowd, and I think we're blessed today to have the weather we have. So I want to thank the federal government for the weather. That's their responsibility. Yeah. It's truly inspiring to see so many people coming together in celebration of our diverse and wonderful community. This festival is the largest free multicultural event in BC, and it is amazing to witness the energy that I'm seeing all through this property. The enthusiasm and the unity. And I think that's something we should be very, very proud of. In a world that is really, really mired right now, this is about joy and peace and love and all things wonderful, don't you think? I know that this will be another unforgettable year for Fusion Festival, with over 50 vibrant cultures represented here this weekend. Over 50. And as you explore, I encourage you to step inside the various pavilions that really immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of the cultures that you will see today. You will uncover fascinating stories, see captivating artistry, and of course, indulge yourself in some really, really wonderful and incredible cuisine from all around the world.
You could travel around the world today and just stay here, right here in Surrey and Holland Park. But you know, the Surrey Fusion Festival isn't just about food and music, although that's a really important part of it. It's a celebration of community, a community of connection and of shared humanity. And I hope we really do celebrate that with great joy in the city of Surrey today. It's a lively showcase of the beautiful diversity that makes our city of Surrey such a special place, a place where everyone matters. So I encourage you all to enjoy this fantastic day, savor some of the really wonderful food, embrace the performances across the 8 stages. There are 8 stages on the property, and make meaningful connections. Together, let's celebrate the mosaic of multiculturalism that truly defines our city of Surrey. Have a really amazing weekend, everyone. I hope to see you on the grounds. Bye now.
An incredible team behind the festival. It's a joy to see Surrey spirit and full display, and an honor to be part of the functional talent international headline that we've tried to contribute to the vibrancy of this fantastic flags up, no flags down. She is the go-between that makes this thing click each and every year, and her team is just unbelievable. Also, she's from
in building such a fantastic city center for us here in Surrey. So a few more things we need to do here. I'd like to just take the opportunity to thank our sponsors one more time. The federal government,
Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all of us command. Quand t'embrasse pour t'élever, il sait porter la croix. Ton histoire est une épopée des plus brillants exploits. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
thank you, Karishma, for that beautiful rendition of O Canada. So we have 2 days of amazing food, festival, and music ahead of us. Please spend the time to visit our over 50 pavilions that we have on site today. This concludes our formal ceremony and opening and our parade of cultures. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for all the dignitaries on the stage. Have an amazing Fusion Festival weekend, everyone. Take care.
Thank you, Ari. And thank you to all our special guests. So nice of you to be here. And thanks to you, all our volunteers with signs and flags. If you want to bring them